In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change time zone in Google Calendar. Changing your calendar's time zone ensures your meetings, reminders, and notifications appear at the correct local time, whether you've moved, you're traveling, or you collaborate across regions. Let's walk through it together in a clear, simple way. First, open your web browser and go to calendar.google.com. If you're prompted to sign in, use your usual account and you'll land on your calendar. Take a moment to confirm you're in the correct account if you manage more than one. Look toward the top right of the page for the gear icon. That's your settings menu. Click the gear and then choose settings from the drop-down. This opens a full settings page where you can control everything from event defaults to display options. On the left side, you'll see a sidebar. Under the area labeled Settings for My Calendars, you'll find a list of calendars you own or manage, including your primary calendar. Choose the specific calendar you want to update by clicking its name. This matters because time zone can be set per calendar, which is helpful if you manage multiple calendars with different regions in mind. With that calendar selected, scroll the main panel until you find the time zone section. Click into it to expand the options. You'll see a drop-down where you can set the primary time zone for that calendar. Now select the time zone you want. You can scroll through the list or type a city or region to narrow it down. Pick the one that matches your current location or the region you need your events to follow. As soon as you choose it, Google Calendar saves your choice automatically. There's no extra save button to press. Your events will now display at the correct times for the time zone you selected. If you're switching because you traveled, this helps avoid confusion and missed meetings. If you collaborate with teams in other regions, it keeps your schedule aligned without having to mentally convert times. If you ever need to adjust it again, just return to Settings, choose the calendar, and update the time zone the same way. A quick tip as you review your calendar after changing the time zone. Scan the next few days of events to make sure everything looks right, especially recurring meetings. This quick check can catch anything that was previously entered with a different regional assumption. And that's it. You went to Google Calendar, opened Settings, chose the calendar you want, opened the time zone section, and selected the correct time zone. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a calendar that always runs on the right time.